Welcome to AATV, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from Sincerely Sweet Boutique. So I received a package from Sincerely Sweet Boutique, and this is my first unboxing video, so I can't wait to show you. So let's get started. All right, I don't even know what I got, so it's a surprise. So hard. Okay, I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm gonna take these out. Oh my goodness, they look like little food trays. So let's open this up. Do you guys see this? It says Surprise Shell Mermaid Treasure Capsule. That's super cool. That's shell-tastic. Oh, how clever. So they're both cute little surprise shells, and inside has some awesome items that I'm gonna show you guys. Shallow, is it me you're looking for? 2 shells, better than 1. Okay, all right, so this one's very heavy. This one's a little light. So let's see, I'm gonna go with the light one. Oh, how exciting. So sweet. Adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right, first there's a cute little mermaid brush. Adorable. Tracy? I was gotta spruce up my look. Oh. It's not a thingamabob. Actually, oh, very nice. It feels dinglehopper-ish. It's a full-on mermaid brush. It's perfect size for your purse. I love it. Very cool. Up next, a sticker, a mermaid sticker. Beautiful. Oh, she's holding a palette. She's a makeup mermaid. She's a mermaid up. Oh my goodness, look, it's a shell compact. How adorable. Very nice, perfect for a mermaid on the go. Shallow. I love it. Oh, and here's another little tote bag here. Oh, look at this. It says Bitter Lace Beauty.
Is it a cookie?
It's not a cookie. It is...
Does it hold a cookie?
I don't know.
Can you put a cookie
Bitter
inside
Lace
of it?
Beauty. Actually, I think this may... Oh! All right, guys. Bitter Lace Beauty is a eyeshadow, but it has a empty compartment because it comes with this. This is the eyeshadow insert that goes inside. I just found this out. So you could change out your eyeshadows. That is so cool.
Genius.
That's genius. So you open the eyeshadow up like this, and it's magnetic. Oh, it smells like vanilla. And you put that right inside, and it's magnetic. There you go. So you'll never lose it. And if you run out, you put more. That is so clever. Thank you. I love it. And look, it has a little zip bag for the eyeshadow. Genius. I could probably fit both of these in here. Thank you. I cannot wait to use these. So up next, the next shell, number 2 shell. And this one's very heavy, so this is definitely different. Oh my gosh. I think I can see what it is. Guys, it's a headband for your makeup. It has a starfish on it. I always wanted one of these. Okay, so this is the bath items. Perfect for a mermaid taking a bath. This is a tail soap. It's made from coconut oil, essential oil. That smells nice. It is half a mermaid.
Can you eat it?
I can't, it does look like candy. I don't think I can eat it. Here, what is this? This is a blow-up bath pillow. I always wanted one of these. I'm actually gonna use this tonight. This is like a true mermaid bath pillow. It has suction cups. I never had one of these, and it's soft. Thank you, I love it. And here, what? This is a Magic Mermaid bath salt. And it has a shell spoon. So, this tiny little shell spoon. Just drizzle the salt from the 7 seas. There you go. This is my unboxing video from Sincerely Sweet Boutique for surprise shells. There's enough treasure here to fill a whole treasure chest. To sail across the 7 seas. I am just smitten by all these amazing items here, and well, thank you, Sincerely Sweet Boutique. You're sincerely sweet. Thank you guys for watching. That's a little too enthusiastic. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, and in the comments down below, tell me what your favorite mermaid item is. Just kidding. Just the mermaid, just